Hey guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can deadhead your salvia plants. See, deadheading is really very important so that the plants keep on blooming for us. And let me show you how easily you can do that. As you can see, this flowering spike is looking already spent. So just look for the flowering spikes that is looking already spent and you can just cut them just right here. And the new shoots will again start growing on this part and you will be getting the blooms on a continuous basis. However, please also note that salvias are really very hardy, and even though if you are going to prune them really very hard, that time also they are not going to mind it at all and they will be blooming nicely. There is another important thing which I would like to tell you here. See, salvias are mostly grown as a winter flowering plants, but still if you can manage them properly, they will be blooming well even in the summer season as well. So this is a very small video, and in this video I just wanted to show you how easily you can do that. But if you want to know more about salvias, like how to grow and take care for your salvias, please check out my other videos where I have shown everything from the seedling stage to until flowering. I really hope you found this short video useful. If you did, please don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and many thanks for doing that. Thank you very much for taking your valuable time to watch the video. Now keep on deadheading your salvia plants and enjoy the blooms on a continuous basis. Have a great day and enjoy.